All right, here we are. The packages finally came in. We're back with an update from last week. My PC that I got for mining is currently sitting at Geek Squad, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it back. Last I checked, they haven't even got to work on it yet. So I'm not sure how long that's gonna take. I'm probably just gonna end up returning it. But the UPS man just dropped off not one, but two new PCs. One of these is for my friend and one's gonna be for me. The boxes on these are not looking as good as they did when I got them from Best Buy. But yeah, if we take a look, you can see this one already looks like it's open right here. Right here, you can pretty much see inside. This one also looks like it's open. One of these is gonna be for my friend. He asked me to get him one, and when I got him his, the side panel on it was actually shattered. So I think I'm gonna give him the one with the box that's less open. So this one over here, I'll take the L on this one. But yeah, we'll see if we got something good this time. Here we are, about to have yet another unboxing. The box is pretty much open, don't need scissors or anything. Yeah, that's all I had to do. Came like that. You saw it last time. Mouse or keyboard. One thing that I am interested to see is what manufacturer parts I have. My friend had MSI parts, I had Gigabyte parts. So I personally like the build of his PC more. Let's see what we got here. All right, big old messed up box right there. Of course, we got the mouse. Doesn't look like anything shattered so far. So definitely already looking better right there. Hold on. All right, so yeah, let me look in here, see what kind of warranty information we got. Oh, so we got another Gigabyte one. This is the kind I had last time. We'll have to take a look and see if this is actually any good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this in, we're gonna check it out and see if this actually powers on and boots up like it didn't last time. Get this white stuff in here out really fast. That way I can actually turn the PC on and use it. All right, so yeah, let's get this back on. So far, so good. This one's seeming all right, but again, the real test is does it boot? So yeah, we're gonna plug this into the TV. My monitor is currently in use, so yeah, we're gonna take a look and see if this powers on. All right, so got the power cord right here, HDMI right here, and in a moment, we'll look up there. We got my TV monitor up there. Yeah, what we're gonna do first is get the power cord plugged in and actually see if it powers on. All right, so that is looking good. And now with that, I'm also gonna take this HDMI right here, plug that in, and then take this and we have one more spot to plug it into. Got the HDMI right here, quickly plug it in the back. All right, so we got that plugged in. Now let's do a little zoom in on the TV up there so you get a better look. Let's see if it's running Windows. All right, so as you can see here, the weather today is going, no, I'm kidding. All right, so looks like it is booting up Windows. So now we're gonna take a look and see if we can actually fully set it up, if everything runs fine. And if everything runs fine, expect a video on this immediately on how to mine crypto from your PC. And as you can see, everything booted up properly. So expect a video on me setting everything up and showing how to get into Bitcoin mining. Hope you enjoyed the update.